Want to build muscle and torch fat without stepping foot in a gym? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 killer exercises step by step, showing you the proper form and variations to maximize your results. Ready to transform your body? Let's dive in. First up, we have push-ups, one of the most powerful upper body exercises for building muscle and strength. They work multiple muscle groups at once, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Beginners can start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups, gradually building up strength. For the seasoned warriors, increase difficulty with archer, diamond, or explosive push-ups. To do them correctly, keep your body in a straight line, lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up explosively. Push-ups not only help with muscle growth, but also improve functional strength for daily movements. With the upper body warmed up, it's time to build lower body power with squats. Squats target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging the core and lower back for better stability. Besides building muscle, squats also improve joint mobility, balance, and athletic performance. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and knees aligned with your toes. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor, then push through your heels to rise. To increase difficulty, try pulse squats or jump squats for an explosive boost. Now that your legs are pumped, let's crank up the intensity with a full body move, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers engage your core while also working your chest, shoulders, and legs. Start in a high plank position, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Quickly drive your knees toward your chest, alternating legs as if you were running in place. Next up, jumping jacks, a classic that does more than just warm you up. This full-body movement activates the calves, shoulders, and core while boosting heart health and increasing endurance. Jump while spreading your legs wide and bringing your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged throughout the exercise. To make them more challenging, try adding resistance bands or incorporating plyometric variations. Now let's slow things down with a strength-building staple, lunges. Lunges are fantastic for leg development since they target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving balance and hip flexibility. Take a big step forward, keeping your upper body upright and your core engaged. Lower your back knee toward the floor, bending both knees to create a 90-degree angle. Want to increase the challenge? Try reverse lunges or walking lunges. Finally, we've reached the ultimate exercise, a true powerhouse for muscle building and fat loss HIIT or high-intensity interval training. A basic HIIT circuit could include 30 seconds of burpees, 20 seconds of jump squats, and 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 5 rounds. Customize your HIIT workout with any of the exercises we've covered today. And since you've stuck around until the end, here's a bonus 3-week workout plan to build muscle and burn fat fast. Strength days push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg, HIIT days, mountain climbers, 30 seconds, jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Repeat for 4 rounds with 20 seconds of rest. Alternate between strength and HIIT days, and on rest days, focus on active recovery like yoga or stretching. Stick to this plan, gradually increase intensity, and you'll see amazing results in just 3 weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite exercise. Let's build a community of strong, empowered individuals.